Habakento ekjiwan phai biang ba Nehlang lengdo bani khunni election chin mikman shakiyeng rabar thawan ge jela Meghalaya na cleared constituency dag ticket ke NPP house nam arjar fly uba Kyrmen Shylla MLA ke United Democratic Party na katai constituency ula ong bu duwai nang buntau Ma Nehlang bu long bo koit khiah henry ompat bu job yagi election ula ong bu unum ai khulai ketbok yu Ma Nehlang namar ma uhi dongpa ban shakri paiba constituency ula ong bau pedang somha yu Ma Nehlang bani khunni election bat kanlong ko bos ngautanat bat benrap bau Ma Nehlang hakartahi ula deihi kupa jungu
hangne hapo konsumsi junga kumbangai I menta kumba jingya sioma ni don samgut menta hapo junga konsumsi nga page ya baro kini ki ada four kini ki tough candidate ngano mo mo kini ki candidate basu mo pamla ban poi she nama ladang kinsting ye kini yo le se kandi ka ek baba ke baba klah yang aban perkhat dengan page ki as a candidate contest the election but ngangi skill ke jingele nginum de ban kinsting in persyang ban le kat bala the Ma Nehlang coming back into the pictures. It's nice. Nganga si Kyrmen ban ong ba nganga yo ya ke experience ban learn through him. Namar hanga hi ilade kumi kpamo namar with his age ilade the age kumi kpa junga and then he has an experience and then he guided me last election. He was the one who supported me heart and soul and then with other two ex-MLA kita arut kibala bang kuat baru play kita rukila ya support bahaya. So I feel so blessed to have them 2018. When it comes to this, I got the opportunity to contest back against each other, so I will not mind him coming into the pictures, but it's just that I will pray for his good health, but I will pray that I will win the election. So I wish him a very good health. But sorry to say, I'll not wish him a good luck because I do want to serve my people of the district and then constituency. But ngangis came Ma Nehlang, he will not mind me winning the election. No matter ngahi dan he take me as his child. So I believe a father will not deprive his child. So let's hope for the best. And then upai ba jungiru sayo ya kalat ban page mo. Observe both the candidate namar hangne hinga ong ba we got is a great opportunity nga namar Ma Nehlang ide ex-MLA ubampa jurem ke election ngayala de nga dang de sitting MLA, so we can consider both of us ni de ki sitting MLA the hangta ki ba ki yo bhai ka chance ban balance ni le ban page mo observe yakini ki argot ki candidate me and him. So let's hope for the best. It's a nice fight and most welcome for anybody to apply by the contest election.
Uba Kyrmen Loong bu sokmen bu ba Justin Khar MLA Borem ke clearat ulawan ban kershan lang yu. Ulang bagani kecingwan jung ba Justin kanyarap shibun yu hakani election banwan but kan I mersim ru yaki pajba.
Oi man hakani it was a tough fight 2018 namar me iru ide sitting MLA. So with God's blessing ngam jupoi berkat ba mo ngan yo ya tu margin to play you eat but kaching ijong pajba ngila ye job. The best thing is that bunsen ki pajba ki kli na ma Justin ba ke gadau phi ya don lang ba di ma Kyrmen te yu thu ba gadau banga kershan ni ma Kyrmen ke de gadau ba ile ya ka kam ko bahan ta jong pajba I ong ru ba la da job manga the job the way ru haba ke ga motive jungi ke de ban le ba yo pajba te hangta I don kita kaching still ba me as a youth leader I'll do better and then I'll do more for the ngandang yo shuka for ban safe ikpai ba. So he give me a chance. I really appreciate mo so comment hadu kata ba hi ilong kumi rangba briu na kathan jungi ba page ka district jungi ba the state hi hakitu for we ila safe for 5 years 2013 to 18 the still thu ba di ai yang akini kalan kedik ek bangam la shu ban siu kleng ye kaching le bha jungi pan nga nganduai nam ta jing bha jungi hopefully I'll get the opportunity to serve back in a different way. If not in politics also, we'll serve back him in a different way against Kemba. Plus the kaching wan jungi it change a lot. I mean same ha ye ki pai ba jung constituency junga plus ki pai ba bun ru ki bala mun hakene ki kwa bani don lang Andai ki ong ba ima Justin impat I ga declaration impat long ki ba scheme ma ngaru so mar san I ga declaration jungi hak to I mean few months back tekipai baki Kyrmen ma. So this shows a good thing, and hopefully we'll have a good result. We have no doubt for that.
Halor ka chingtri kam ka bor pisah ga election kam tam harilom chantia ulaong baka day tang ka buit yalab election ulaong baka pisah kam tri kam than ga election hanrei tang ha ki katu ga ni ki banta
Kum haji i jonga when haji day bat kini ki cringe pang pisa kadai ke it's just a propaganda baki brave issue ya that kwa ya that kai think oh ma Kyrmen li thet yota oh ma Nehlang li thet yota. That is not the way. Ngi hamne ndai bingi ya thet ya di brave ni don hang ni nam ta ban what ya ke leni ban pan ya ke ching it no pai pa khnang bangin yo ya ke ni ke bor ban shikri ya ki pai ba ki la ban ong o naman bale nga ko ma ching i jung ting ki bru ki ra ya ke tang ler khnang ba ngingin pulut lada ki ong ba o Ma Nehlang la pulut kata, then I'll try to find a way kum no ngaru khnang bangan job. It's just to have a competition, otherwise money will not play a big role ban job ya ke election. If don't come, be with them, connected to the people. Kata if don't come ba. Okay, bisa kalau don't come, be like small, meager small, katu ke bayang kriang this and that. Maybe in that, namar bulsin nga ikipay ba. They don't need much money. All they need is that you should be with them. Nakata daw balay nunta hakini kitnay. Nila stang ban ni don lang wat pay ba ban iba. We are with them. Otherwise, if only by money ngan OEP, don't even rem ke election. The market pun riba don't bisa. The balik kita rem election. So money is not a first priority. Money is just meager, just a part of election. Maybe I cannot say, but it might be. But love is the most important, and then connected to the people.